In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the PHP version in Cloudways. Keeping your PHP version up to date is one of the simplest ways to improve your website's security, performance, and compatibility. Older PHP versions can slow your application down and may expose your server to avoidable risks. The good news is that Cloudways makes this process much easier than traditional hosting environments, where updates often require command line work and manual configuration. Before making any changes, start by creating a backup. In your Cloudways dashboard, open the server section and select the server you want to update. From the menu on the left, click Backups, then scroll to the On-Demand Backup area and choose Take Backup Now. This gives you a restore point in case anything unexpected happens after the upgrade. It usually only takes a few minutes, and it's an important precaution you should never skip. Once your backup is complete, go back to the left-hand menu and open Settings and Packages. At the top of that page, click the Packages tab. This section shows the main software components currently active on your server, including PHP and other related packages. Take a moment to review the current version so you know exactly what you're changing from. Next, find the PHP and open the version drop-down next to it. From there, select the PHP version you want to use. And as a general best practice, choose the highest stable version that your application officially supports. For many modern websites, that may be PHP 8.2 or PHP 8.3. Upgrading from an older branch to a newer one can noticeably improve execution speed and reduce server resource usage, but compatibility always comes first. After selecting your target version, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. A confirmation message will appear to let you know that the server processes will restart during the update. Approve the change to continue. Cloudways will then handle the rest automatically in the background. During this time, the platform updates the PHP environment and restarts the necessary services. In most cases, this takes only a few minutes. When the update is finished, it's time to verify everything. Open the Applications area, choose your main website, go to Application Settings, then open the Tools tab and use Varnish Purge to clear cached content. After that, open your website in a fresh, private browser window and test the important areas carefully. Check pages, forms, carts, and the admin dashboard to confirm everything is working normally. You can also review server monitoring to make sure performance remains stable. And that's it. You've successfully updated the PHP version in Cloudways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.